Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Its class name. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. It's now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. It's first we draw A. A for apple and A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. It's neither B. B for ball and B for bat. The alphabets of B. And use blue color. Blue color. B for ball and B for bat. It's neither C. C for cat. The alphabets of C. And use green color. Green color. C for cat and C for car. The alphabets of C. It's neither D. D for dog and D for doll. The alphabets of D. And use red color. Red color. It's neither E. E for egg and E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color. Yellow color. It's neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. O N E 1. It's neither 2. The numbers of 2. And use blue color. Blue color. T W O 2. It's neither 3. The numbers of 3. And use green color. Green color. T H R W 3. The numbers of 3. It's neither 4. The numbers of 4. And use red color. Red color. F O U R 4. The numbers of 4. It's neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F I V E 5. The numbers of 5. It's neither shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. The shape of square. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle and use blue color. Blue color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use green color. Green color. The shape of triangle. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart and use red color. Red color. The shape of heart. Kids now draw star. The shape of star and use yellow color. Yellow color. The shape of star. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E. Kids numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kid shapes square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.